Good morning. Welcome to today's news. Several regions in Indonesia were hit by extreme weather. Heavy rain and strong winds caused flooding, disrupting transport and school activities. Authorities asked the public to stay alert during the rainy season. For details from the affected area, here is our reporter. Kelly, please.
Good.
Thank you, Mr. Rika. I'm reporting from flood affecting area. Heavy rain and strong winds flooded residential areas and affecting local residents. Emergency team and local authorities respond quickly. The extreme weather occurred from January 23rd to 26th across several regions in Indonesia.
Sorry for interrupting. I know you try to remember. You should see the audience, I guess. See the audience like I don't know.
Weather officials says unstable. Weather officials say unstable atmosphere condition triggered intense rainfall.
Okay. And then
The residents say